Hi there, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to talk about some of Growatt's current unique advantages in a world of tariffs, manufacturing, and interest rate turmoil. The solar world has had its share of ongoing challenges recently with trade wars, economic ups and downs, policy flip-flopping, but here at Growatt, we're designed specifically to weather these storms and not just survive, but to thrive. Let's talk about why our unique position in the market is rock solid and where we're going to keep delivering product excellence no matter what comes next. We're already the smart buy. Tariffs and manufacturing won't change that. Most competitors are already charging more for their equipment right out of the box. Same warranty, same guarantees, and often lesser installation or commissioning experiences, even if the products are similar. That means when tariffs continue to come online, many of our top competitors and other brands will be feeling the pinch, resulting in higher prices or lower quality. That's not a compromise we at Growatt are willing to make. And luckily, we won't have to, because our margins for installers are better from the get-go. Growatt products already give you top performance at a price that makes sense. If tariffs hit everyone the same, we'll still be one of the most affordable, most reliable options out there due to our flagship products and ongoing Tier 1 inverter partnerships with companies like Sunrun and GreenTech. Some brands have already announced a US line of products, or all of their products will now be made in the US. And of course, those prices are expected to jump way up, at least in the short to medium term. Luckily, we're already in a position that allows us much more flexibility. Customers get great value without the sticker shock. One of our secret weapons is that we've got a big, smart factory in Vietnam, in addition to our historical manufacturing in China. Together, those have been a game changer. It helps us keep our costs low, strengthens and speeds up our supply chain, and lets us sidestep some of the tariff headaches when we need to. That means steady stock, consistent quality, and products flowing to globally 150 plus countries that carry Growatt without missing a beat. While others scramble, we stay calm and keep shipping. It's not just avoiding problems, it's about long-term dynamic flexibility from Growatt, the #1 residential inverter supplier in the world. High interest rates? No problem. Solar still pays. Interest rates have been stubbornly high, and even if they stay elevated, solar keeps making sense if you can get the products or take the loans affordably. Homeowners are still taking out solar loans because the savings add up fast in many parts of the US. The average payback time of solar and battery systems in the US is 7 to 10 years. But with Growatt, it's only 5 to 7 years. Our systems, and especially our batteries, which are now a part of many power purchase agreement loan programs, ensure the math works even when borrowing isn't cheap. As rates have just started and will likely continue to ease, that only gets better. Either way, Growatt keeps solar within reach. We're running at peak efficiency, and we keep it CEC 100. Between smart pricing, dual manufacturing, and real-world value, with nearly 2 decades of experience, Growatt is the company that installers and homeowners turn to when they want high-spec equipment that just works. The future is bright, and we're ready to power it.